Let's go to google.com first. Let's type circuit construction kit in the search window. Then we can get the phet simulator like this. Let's click on the lab here. After clicking here we can assemble the circuit in the following screen. Let's build 3 circuits by connecting pieces of batteries in parallel. We make 3 circuits using 1 battery, 2 batteries, and another battery. Let's switch on all 3 circuits in this way. Then the bulbs in each circuit will light up with the same brightness. But if we use a voltmeter in this way and check the potential of each battery piece separately in each of these circuits, we will see that the same potential gap has been formed across these bulbs in each case. This is the most special feature that can be seen in connecting cells in parallel. No matter how many cells are connected in parallel, the potential distance across them takes the same value. Now you can also visualize a circuit using parallel cells in this way. The link to get this simulator is given below.